This is the Suffolk County Property Report. If the property has a recent list pendants filed on it, you'll see an alert in the top in orange that tells you this property has one or two or however many list pendants. Followed by the list pendants alert, you'll have the address in the top left, the legal identification, which is the district, section, block, and lot, as well as the owner name and address. We have telephone number links where you can find listed telephone numbers at the address, listed in the owner's name, or listed at the owner's address. After that, we have building information, which includes the classification of the building, year built, style, square footage, room count, height, and so forth. Note in Suffolk County, depending on the township you're in, a lot of this information may not be available, as each township releases information differently. Over in the middle, we have the parcel information, which includes the township, school district, legal use, zoning, if available, acres, lot size, census, and waterfront indication. Once again, some of these items may or may not be available based upon the township. Next, we have the flood zone, the owner's mailing address, if available, as well as the taxes and the assessment values for the most recent tax year available. Below that is the sales history going back to the mid-1980s. You'll notice sometimes that sales will be highlighted in yellow. This indicates that the property has been potentially flipped. We define a potential flip as any property that has been sold more than once within a 1-year period. It doesn't indicate that there was definitely fraudulent activity on the property. However, we're bringing the high frequency of sales to your attention by highlighting them in yellow. Lastly, at the bottom is the list pendants, if any, in orange. And here it'll give you the date the list pendants was filed, in this case, August 16th, 2007, the document ID and index number, the amount of the lien, plaintiffs and defendants, as well as the book and page number of the original mortgage in the event that it is a list pendants filed on a mortgage. Below that is our contact information and the name who the report was prepared by, which would be you. Back to the top, we have other options, including back, return to the previous page, print out the report. CMA is how we find comps. View the property on a map. Census gives you demographics on the neighborhood. Perform a new search. And sign out of GeoData Direct.